If you have both a TikTok Ads account and a Business Center, you must connect the two to receive our TikTok Ads fulfillment service. To do this, go to your Ads account dashboard. You can access your Business Center by clicking this button here. Then, from your Business Center, go to Assets and click Advertiser Accounts. Then click Request Access. You will need to enter your Ads account ID here. Go back to your Ads account page, click on your account name, and copy the ID. Then select the appropriate permission level. In our case, we created a new Ads account for this demo, and it has not yet been approved by TikTok. If this happens to you, please provide time for TikTok to approve your account. Once that's complete, simply click Request. Since you are the owner of both the Ads account and the Business Center, it will automatically form the connection. In the event that you want to add a partner that is unrelated to your ad account, they will receive a notification in their Ads account here. Then simply follow the notification to confirm the connection.